Hey kings and queens, today we are going to build my standing desk for really cheap. Excuse my hair, I am currently deep conditioning my hair. No shame in that. So before we get into the video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and put on your notifications for more awesome content. I do videos to help young professionals and also just adulting life in general. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so first off, I got these brackets, what will actually be holding up the desk. These were $2 each, and I got them from Home Depot, and I just got 4 of them. And then some scissors, you should probably already have. The, what is it called? The screwdriver gun thingy to actually nail things in the wall. And then I got this like stud finder so I can make sure that I'm nailing, like drilling in the wall where I'm supposed to be. Some nails. I got this contact paper from Dollar Tree for $1, and I already opened it because I wanted to see what it looked like inside. And then I got one of these things to make sure that what do you call it, to make sure the desk is like straight and it's not lopsided. And then lastly, you need a pencil. Actually, that's not lastly, you need a pencil though, but the last thing you will need is obviously some wood or whatever you want to make your desk. So this is a funny story. So it's just 2 of them. I actually got this dresser from the Lego app for my room, and it had too many shelves in it, so I just took 2 of them out, and I'm gonna use them for my desk. So I'm gonna go ahead and like wrap the contact paper around it, so that's why I got that. And yeah, I'm trying to be innovative here, but everything I got was from Home Depot except for the Dollar Tree contact paper, which was $8. And total, I spent like $26 with all these items. However, most of you guys probably already have this stud finder and some scissors and even this thing, so you probably only need to spend like $15. My dad already had one of these here, so I'm just using this from home, but I'm sure you guys can ask somebody who already has that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So this is what this corner is looking like. I've been using it just for storage. Like this is my travel bag, and then just like, I don't know, like random things I don't know where to put yet, but this all gonna have to move, so I'm gonna do that first. Alright you guys, so the first thing you want to do is take your desk, I guess, piece of wood, and then you want to put it against the wall and see where you like how high you want it, and just make a mark there so you know where to look for the stud. So that's what I'm gonna do first. Alright, so I went ahead and made the marks. You cannot tell at all because it's just pencil, but that's okay. And so now I'm going to use the stud finder to go and find the stud. Alright, so now I'm trying to find where I can actually nail into the wall, and I'm using this thing called the Stud Buddy. So the Stud Buddy. So I'm using this thing called the Stud Buddy. So basically I'm just supposed to put it against the wall, and it'll literally stick to the wall when it finds the stud. So let's do this. And as I find the studs, I'm going to make a mark so I know where I can nail. You guys, so far I'm only finding one place I can do a stud, and I need it like here, here, and then 2 more along this wall. So I'm hoping I can find some over here, because if I don't, I can't make this desk. So guys, I want to try and show you the lines that I've made. So I used the Stud Buddy thingy, and then so I can nail here, and then here's my line where I want my desk. I wanted it slightly above my bed, and then here, there, and there's one more there. So that's actually perfect because I bought 4 different brackets, and because it is a corner desk and it's 2 different pieces of shelves, I wanted to make sure that I have enough security. So this is going to be absolutely perfect. So now I'm going to try to actually nail my actual brackets in here. So here we go. I'm just gonna explain these real quick. So they're gonna go on the wall like this, and the top, there's like 2 holes in the top, and this goes against the wall. And then I'm gonna nail the other ones up to the desk. That doesn't make any sense, but like this is for the wall, and then this is for the desk. So it's gonna be like this on the wall. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start drilling. I'm worried about this part. Here they have 5 of the big nails and then 6 of the little ones. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna be using all of these. All right, something I want to know, there's a longer side, and that's what stays up. So the shorter side goes against the wall, and then the longer side juts out like this. Okay. Guys, I had to do a change of plans. I got tape because I can't hold, I'm like having trouble holding it up and drilling the first hole by myself. Like this has been like really challenging. So I think I'm just gonna tape this where I want it, and I might just tape all of them where I want them to make sure that they're straight, and then start drilling. So change of plans. Let's do it like this. So finally I got the first one in, and now I'm gonna do the other one. So I think after the first one it should get easier. Whew, I finally got the hard part done. I'm so excited. These are now stable. So I went ahead and put all 3 of the nails, drilled them in all 3 places for all the brackets. So now I can actually remove these, which makes me feel so good. But yeah, these are now fine. So I'm going to remove all those. But the next thing I'm going to do now is stick the contact paper on the shelves. That should not take too long. Honestly, what did take long though was making sure that these were straight using that lever thing. I had to redo that one because when I tried the shelves on, they weren't straight, so I had to redo that one. So this is probably the hardest part, but now everything is going to be super easy. So I think you just peel it off and then stick it. So that's what I'm going to do real quick. Alright, so now the shelves are on. The last step is to drill the last nails in these so that the actual desk stays put so I can move it. After I drill the nail in, I won't be able to move them, so I'm going to do it for, I think it's 3 again for each of the brackets. And then I'll show you guys the finished results. Here is the finished product.